Hello everyone, Ripalsa from London once again with the current travel to UK information. Something new today. I'm not making the video in the offices or in the house wearing the tie and just making the video while I was doing the morning walk. Something new today, Sunday morning. So current information, lots of the countries still in the red list, like India, Pakistan, Asian countries and those things still in the red list, and lots of the question from my previous video that when it's gonna come out from red list, but we don't know anything. That's all depend on the government. हमारे हाथ में कुछ है नहीं, depend on the government. So the current announcement is already done. The people are waiting कि करंट अनाउंसमेंट में क्या होगा. तो इंडिया, पाकिस्तान एंड दोस कंट्री स्टिल रिमेन इन द रेड लिस्ट. तो रेड लिस्ट का ही रूल्स फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. और सम मोर कंट्री एडेड अनफॉर्चुनेटली, लाइक श्रीलंका, सूडान, इजिप्ट, बहरीन, Costa Rica, Afghanistan, those country was in amber list. Yes, but that is added in a red list now. So whoever coming from those country, Afghanistan, Costa Rica, Bahrain, Sudan, Sri Lanka, those country they have to be hotel quarantine now, and they have to pay the amount for hotel. So be careful, people. If the people make a plan to come by that country, now they have to follow the red list policy. And one more thing, for people are making the plan to go to the Europe as well, like Portugal. It was in green list, but now from 8 June, all the country I mentioned before that, from 8 June early morning 4 a.m. that will be in red list. Now Portugal, it was in green list, but now is gonna move to amber list from 8 June 4 a.m. Lots of anger there from the tourism, from the people, from the customers, but is not in our hand. Lots of people make the plan to go Portugal for Europe holiday in summertime, but now they stuck because it's amber list. So if you are come back from amber list, you have to be 10 days home quarantine. Of course not in hotel, but still people didn't make a plan for home quarantine and day 2 and day 8 tests to be done when they land in the UK, and they have to pay for that £210 or something. So my suggestion, there will be next announcement in on or after 21st June, so wait for that one. But still at the moment, lots of country in red list, and 6 or 7 country which I mentioned now, that's added in a red list. So my suggestion, not to travel anywhere. Don't make a plan in advance like month and 2 month. Let's see what happened to Portugal. People make a plan already to go now in amber list. So 10 days quarantine, home quarantine, and day 2 day 8 days, and they didn't know when they booked a holiday. And same thing, people are coming from other countries to UK. They make plan to come back via Sri Lanka or Bahrain or Egypt. Egypt is in red list country as well from 8th of June. So those country from after 8th of June is in red list. So at the moment is so many things is going on, and we don't know what will happen. Is all depend on the government rules and policy you have to follow. And wherever you make a plan around the world, anywhere from your country to those country, and then come back to UK or anything, you make a plan, go to internet, find it out the policy, government policy. Wherever you go, find it out their government policy. Are they allowing you? For example, USA. For UK people, USA is amber list. If someone coming from USA to UK, they can come with the 10 days home quarantine and day 2 and day 8 tests of corona. But USA government not allowing to UK people. Lots of people, they don't know even. If you are going from UK, British passport holder, to USA is banned for UK customer. But USA people can come to UK. So those things, find it out before you book your holiday or flight or hotel or anything. Don't waste your money. My suggestion at the moment, don't go for holiday or leisure. If there any emergency, yes, you have to fly, no choice. You don't have to count the money. But if you want to go for holiday, my suggestion not to go outside the UK. Spend your time in the UK. There are lots of beautiful places in the UK. Scotland, Cornwall, Wales, Yorkshire, Lake District, so many places. So you go to those places and spend your money. If you go outside UK, it's wasting of money, to be honest. And this all the red list and amber list, and you will be stuck there. So it's a suggestion is up to you. Your money, you have to spend it. Like you and love you all. Thank you so much.
Okay.